Welcome to Knowledge Gainer One Name channel. Let us continue our percentages topic. Question number 16. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 25% of the third number. What percentage is first of the second? In the previous model questions, either more than or less than is given. But here no such word is mentioned. In this type of questions, the trick or the formula we use is x by y into 100. X value is 20 by y value is 25 into 100. Once and 4 times. So 80%. That is the first number is 80% of the second number. If the question is what percentage is second of the first is given, we should write y by x into 100. Let us see a note point. If x% of a quantity is taken by the first, y% of the remaining is taken by second, and z% of the remaining is taken by third. Now if a rupees is left, then the amount in the beginning is a into 100 into 100 into 100 by 100 minus x, 100 minus y and 100 minus z. Now 17th question, a man brought certain amount of wire. 10% of it was stolen. After using 85% of the remaining, he had 47 meters and 25 centimeters of the wire left. How much wire did he buy? 47 meters and 25 centimeters. Converting this into centimeters, we get 4725 centimeters. Here A value is 4725. Substituting the values in the formula, 4725 into 100 into 100 by 100 minus 10% is stolen into 100 minus 85% of the remaining is used. Let us cancel this. On cancellation, we get 35 into 100 into 10. That is 350 meters. Originally, he brought 350 meters. 18th question. Prem and Ram deposits rupees 1200 in a common fund. 20% is taken by Prem, 40% of the remaining is taken by Ram. How much is left in common fund? In this question, we know the total amount, that is 1200. Now we should find the value of A, that is the leftover amount. Now 1200 is equal to A into 100 into 100 by 100 minus 20% is taken, and again 100 minus 40% of the remaining is taken. Now let us cancel this. Cancelling the zeros, we get the value as 576 rupees is the leftover amount. Now let us discuss another model. If x% of the amount is added, again y% of the increased quantity is added, again z% of the increased quantity is added. Now it becomes A. Then the initial amount is given by A into 100 into 100 into 100 by 100 plus x into 100 plus y into 100 plus z. 19th question. A man deposited 50% of the initial amount to his locker. Again he deposited 20% of the increased amount. Now the amount becomes 18,000. How much was the initial amount? Now substituting all these values in this formula, the value of A is 18,000 into 100 into 100 by, as amount is added, we should keep plus, that is 20, 100 plus 50. Now let us cancel this. 3 5s, 3 6, 3 4s, 3 2s. We get the value as 10,000. So the initial amount is 10,000. Another model. If original population of a town is P, annual increase is R%, population after n years is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. If population n years ago is asked, P by 1 plus R by 100 whole power n should be taken. Question number 20. The present population is 1 lakh. It increases annually by 20%. Find the population after 2 years. Here after 2 years is given. So the value of P is 1 lakh into 1 plus R value is 20 by 100 whole power 2 years. N is equal to 2. That is 1 lakh into 120 by 100 into 120 by 100. Cancelling the zeros, we get 12 into 12 is 144 into 10 power 3 is the population of the town after 2 years. Question number 21. If annual decrease in the population of the town is 4%, present population is 5,76,000. What was it 2 years ago? As in this question, annual decrease of 4% is given and also 2 years ago is asked. So the formula is P by 1 minus R by 100 whole power n should be taken. Here the value of P is 5,76,000 by 1 minus R value is 4%, 4 by 100 whole power 2. 1 minus 1 by 25 whole power 2 can be written as 5,76,000 into 25 into 25 by 24 into 24. 24 times 576. So 1000. 25 into 25 is 625. So 625 000 is the population of the town 2 years ago. Question number 23. The population of a town is 7,200. If number of male is increased by 20% and number of female is increased by 10%, the population becomes 800 more. Find the number of female in the town. Here the total population is 7,200. Let the female be x, then the male becomes 7,200 minus x. 20% of 7,200 minus x, that is male, plus 10% of x, that is female, is equal to 800 is given. We can write this as 20 by 100 into 7,200 minus x plus 10 by 100 of x is equal to 800. Taking 10 by 100 as common, we get this as 14400 minus 2x plus x is equal to 800. That is 14400 minus x is equal to 800 into 100 by 10. Cancelling the 0, we get 14400 minus x is equal to 8000. So the value of x is equal to, that is the number of female is 6400 in the town. Now question number 22. In an exam, 60% passed in Hindi, 70% passed in English, 25% failed in both. Find the pass percentage. 60% passed in Hindi means 40% failed in Hindi. Again, 70% passed in English means 30% failed in English. So, fail percentage is in English and Hindi. Let us draw a diagram. Total of 25% failed in both. That is 40 minus 25 is 50. 30 minus 25 is 5. So total 45% failed. Now we should find the pass percentage. That is 100 minus 45, which is equal to 55% passed in the exam. That is the pass percentage is 55%. 24th question. The salary of a worker is increased by 10% and therefore it is decreased by 10%. What was the change in his salary? Let the original salary of the person be 100. 10% increase means it becomes 110. Again, from this 10% is decreased means minus 11. That is 110 minus 11 is 99. So there is a change of 1% in his salary. We can also use the formula, that is x square by 100, because the increase and the decrease percentages are same. That is 10 square by 100. 10 square is 100. So 100 by 100 is 1. That is 1% change in his salary. 25th question. A shopkeeper marks the price of his goods at 20% higher than the original price. After that, he allows a discount of 10%. What profit or loss did he get? Let the original price of the product be 100 rupees. If 20% is increased, it becomes 120. And after 10% discount is given from 120. So we should minus 12. That is, we get this as 108. So there is a difference of 8%. The original price is 100 and now the price is 108. So he gets a profit of 8%. Question number 26. A shopkeeper marks the price of goods 20% higher than the original price. Due to increase in demand, he again increases by 20%. What profit did he get? Let the original price be 100 rupees. If 20% is increased, the price becomes 120. And again from this 20% is increased. That is 120 plus 24. This becomes 144. There is an increase of 44 rupees. So he gets a profit of 44%. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Press bell icon to get notified. Question number 27. The expenses on the groceries, meat and vegetables of a family are in the ratio 12:17:13. The prices of these three are increased by 20%, 30% and 50% respectively. Find the total expenditure of the family on these articles are increased by. The ratio is given. Let the amount for groceries be 120, for meat be 170 and for vegetables it be 30 rupees. On adding this, we can get 320 rupees. Now the price is increased by 20% of 120, which is equal to 24 rupees, and 30% of 170. 30% of 170 is 51 and 50% of 30 is 15 rupees. The total is 90 rupees. That is, total 90 rupees expenditure is increased. Now to find the percentage increase in the expenditure, 90 by total expenditure before is 320 into 100. 45 times, 16 times, 5 times. We get this as 225 by 8. 28, 1 by 8% is the increase in expenditure of the family. 28th question. Fresh grape has 80% of water. Dry grape has 10% of water. If the weight of the dry grapes is 500 kg, what is its total weight when it is fresh? Now let us take the weight of the fresh grapes be x. Now quantity of the water in x kg of grapes is 80% of x, that is 4 by 5x, and quantity of pulp in x is 20% of x. We can write this as x by 5. Now the quantity of pulp in fresh grapes is equal to quantity of pulp in the dry grapes, which is equal to quantity of total dry grapes is 500 minus quantity of water in the dry grapes 50, which is equal to 450. Quantity of pulp in fresh grapes is x by 5, which is equal to 450. So the quantity of x, that is the weight of the fresh grapes, is 2250 kg. 29th question. A 20% hike in price of apples enabled a person to purchase 4 apples less for rupees 360. Find the new price. Let us consider for old price, that is 360 rupees, a man bought n apples. Now the price is increased by 20%. Now the price becomes 432. He can buy n minus 4 apples. That is, the price of the 4 apples is 72 rupees. And for 1 apple it becomes x. So x is equal to 72 by 4. That is 18 rupees is the original price of the apple. Question number 30. In a college election between two persons, a man got 55% of the valid votes. 25% of the votes are invalid. If total votes are 15,200, find the number of votes second person got. Now let the total votes be 100. In that, valid votes are 75 and invalid votes are 25. Because 25% of the votes are invalid is given. So valid is 75 and invalid is 25. Here the total votes are given as 15,200. Now the number of valid votes is 75 by 100 into 15,200. On multiplication of 152 with 75, we get 11,400 votes. If first person gets 55% of the valid vote, then second person got 45% of the valid votes. We can write this as 45 by 100 into number of valid votes is 11,400. 45 into 114 is 5,130 votes is got by the second person. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends.